Hey, so welcome back, everyone. Today I wanted to talk about the comeback that we're seeing in most of the stocks, mostly SPACs and some small caps are actually doing great comebacks today. Yesterday I was talking about the group, how I said that so many back holders were just created ever since the February correction that happened. I guess I'm saying that I guess everybody. So there are so many complainers lately. They were knowingly that they were up 2, 4, 500%, and didn't take profit or use stop losses. That I said that they are at a great discount for those those stocks that were back then. So I was talking about thcb, nga, cciv, stpk, which are all up today. Pretty huge amount. Nga being up the most, almost being up 17%. And it's just great how I was able to call whatever this is, whether it's the start of the actual reversal or whether it's just a small bull trap that we won't know till later. And what I wanted to talk about is exactly what is it right now? Is it a full reversal? Are we getting our confirmation? Is this just a normal dead cat bounced? Are we gonna see these small caps or these SPACs come back at all? And today I'm looking at the S&P 500 and also the fear index, which I wanted to see where that is at. The fear index is a nice index that the CNN business has created. It's just a great way to get a speculation on where the market's at right now. Here it says that we're at greed, 57. I mean, which is not too bad to have. You want to have a normal market or a neutral market. It's not really too concerned on whether it's a little tilting a little bit more past neutral. It's tilting a little more past fear. To find it at a neutral point is pretty much probably should be really hard because there's always going to be one more thing than the other. But sometimes you could find that index at a neutral. And what I wanted to check out today is actually the S&P 500, which over the past 1 month has essentially done nothing but gone up and up and up, while small caps and SPACs have been crushed. Today there seems to be a little bit of a dead cat bounce, and maybe we're finally getting the reversal after being down for a straight 2 months. Makes a lot of sense. Most of these stocks like THCB, STPK were up almost 2 to 300% respectively. STPK was one of my best calls since I loaded that from the 14s to the 50s. I sold out between 40 and 44. Congrats to the people that held at 50s, but I did call it out on stock tweets. If you want to be a part of that, you could just go along and go to the link and follow, and you can see all the calls that we make every day. And there's many other SPACs as well, just as ARVL, NGA, a big winner today, up 17%. Wish I would have bought that one this morning instead of STPK. Would have been up a lot more than that. And for even one of the top gainers today is actually Skills, which is up 30% respectively with 77 million volume. Now I'm not sure if this is pointing out where that this is going to be the actual reversal. It's really hard to tell whether we're really gonna be seeing. It's gonna take a couple days at least. I think that stock, in order to be a full reversal, the stocks will have to go back up to at least where they were back in April 5th, where things seems that they stabilized, or at least make a 50% or a 50 or a 30% bounce from whatever low they hit. Versus the prices they were back in January or December, whatever that may be, before they came crashing down. I'm not sure which one is gonna most likely gonna be showing us or happening first. Now, I also wanted to talk about this week's calls. Initially there were good calls. CLOV went from 1025, then 1057. And then I was now that it immediately went up, and then none of them immediately went down. CLOV kind of failed at the end there, I think it was mostly because of a spy murder. And then we had CLVR, 1060 entry. The pot stocks, same deal. None of them. It was actually a bad day for 420, which was yesterday. Instead of being a great day for pot stocks, it was actually a red day. But the day before that, they were doing okay. They were up like 2%. And then stpk, grateful for that one, that it was able to pull us up from the point where we were, and we were actually able to turn really positive for this week, including last week, which made 2 calls essentially on that one. It was one at 20, there was one at 22, and then another one today, which was 25. It was a nice 8%, maybe 10% move from where stpk was this morning. And now I usually don't like to trade stpk, but I'm not really sure whether today is actually going to be a real reversal, or is just some dead cat bounce. It's going to take a couple days for it to for it to fully confirm whether it's a reversal. I would say that it has to probably get above the current price, which is 35, to get a full confirmation. That is where it was. That is when it was in March 12th. You can see the high hit it on February 17th, and it fell all the way to 25, probably lower because Robinhood doesn't show. Then it rebounded right here. So I would say it has to get above 35 to finally confirm that reversal. As for now, I'm not very confident on what's going on here. This could just simply be a dead cat bounce, but it's nice to see because we haven't seen movements, at least for small caps, like this in a very long time. It's essentially been 2 months since we actually saw a move. Now I'll keep you guys posted on where these are going, but luckily whoever bought the dip and was part of the group yesterday made a lot of money today. When I said that they were at a great discount yesterday, thcb, nga, and cciv, which is almost up to 20 today, are all up at least 5%, respectively, with nga being the lowest one. Again, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I'm gonna try to keep getting this content daily to you guys. Thank you and have a great day.